In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover a hacked Instagram account in 2026. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can go ahead and try to do so. Simply head to Safari, and on your Safari or any browser that you prefer using, simply go ahead and go to this site, instagram.com/hacked, just like that, and simply go ahead and click on search. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page where you want to simply go ahead and enter your username, phone number, or email address that you remember of your account. Click on next. It will identify your account and then see which account or which phone number is associated with it. And you can simply go ahead and click on continue and send verification code if your number is still there. If not, what you need to do is simply go ahead and search for Instagram support, just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on Instagram support right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and find the contact form. So simply go ahead and click on this. And in this form, what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on request access, and you can simply go ahead and fill out the form and write exactly what problem you have, and they will go ahead and help you out. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.